I put this on there first.
Yeah. And don't forget to squeeze it in, Keisha and Angel.
How much do you put in?
I don't know how much you put in.
That.
Come on, Angel, squeeze it. Oh,
Just put loads in.
Yeah, feel it, Angel.
Ready, I'm going to
Is that enough? Do you want some more in?
Yeah. It's real nice. Right, I think I should put this one in. How am I supposed to do this one? Just like...
Yeah. That's it, Angel. Squeeze. Squeeze. Oh, Angel, yours is getting really thick. Squeeze. Oh, no, Angel, no! Oh, Angel! Oh, that is not how you make balloon slime, Angel. It's one man, Angel. Look at that, guys. That is disgusting. Oh, it's real slippy. Oh.
I have to do it like I need another one.
I think I've got it. Oh, no!
Oh my God! Can you see?
This is a complete and utter fail. Look at this. Ready?
Can I use you for something?
What's
more in
So remember to put the activator in first.
Yeah, that's
because
why
this is what
it turns out
happens.
like
Look at that. Guys, we're gonna try again because
Mine not so much. I'm gonna try again.
Leo, it's full of activator. Look at that. Activator first, guys.
We're doing it again.
Activator in the balloon first.
More. You have the rest.
Ready? Shall I push it in for you? Go, you push it in, I'll hold it, ready? Oh, that's it, it's going in, it's going in. Go.
I'm using my paper.
I think that's full, Angel. Now mixing it, look.
Man.
I think that will be ready. The balloon is disgusting and covered in disgusting bits of grass, but I think it's wet. So you think, Angel? What do you think, Keisha?
I don't know if mine's ready yet.
Should we try it? Should we tip it out?
I'm not doing mine yet. It might not.
Come on, I'm going to tip it out. Ready? See if it's wet.
Angel, it's wet.
Angel, it's wet.
Yeah, but is it sticky still? Oh. It's like a stress ball. Look, you can stretch it. Oh!
I know, I think it's wet.
In case it's
Look at Leo. Look at Leo.
Oh.
I don't think that's what you're supposed to do.
I thought it is.
Oh, you popped it, There, look. Now open it, let's have a look. Oh, it's wet! It's wet, Keisha!
Wet! Daddy. But it's a bit... Can you tie this up?
Yeah. Oh, you've put too much activator in.
Angel put loads in and it turned out like that?
Yeah, it's because we've put too much activator in.
It is sort of like sand, but it's not wet.
It's wet a little bit.
It's not stretchy. Can you tie mine up? It's stretchy a bit. Will it work still?
Do you know what you can do, Keisha?
Yeah.
If you make slime and it's too dry, don't put that on it.
What?
Put a bit more glue in.
Really?
And just mix it in your hands.
Angel, yours wet! Come have a look.
Angel! This is Angel's, guys.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh! Leo!
Come on.
You can't just put balloons full of liquid. Angel, do you want this slime? Look at that. Look at that, Angel. That's perfect slime.
I'm going to make you really smelly.
Leo, that's air freshener.
Not a slime fight again.
Leo, no! Why does it always turn into a slime fight?
This way. Oh, where's she there?
Leo! Stop it! Oh, Leo.
Only a tiny bit. You only put a tiny bit in.
Have I got some on my back, Leo?
That was on the glue.
Have I got some on my back?
Loads.
Oh, Keisha!
No, I just rubbed it in.
Oh, you're getting loads of trouble. Angel, are you going to protect me? Are you going to help me?
Never. I need that.
Leo! Right, because they've thrown loads of slime at me, this is the game. I have to try and hit you with this slime ball, ready? Oh! Guys, look at all the mess that these have made.
Here.
Look at all... Oh!
There's glue in it.
Oh! Keisha! Oh! Angel, did you see what Keisha just did to me? Are you gonna get her? Keisha is so cheeky. I think Leo should get Keisha. Yeah, get Keisha. Go on, get her.
Where's your go get her?